Hi everyone, my name's Carlina. I'm the school psychologist at Panania Public School, and this is my dog Zuki, who is the school support dog. Zuki is a 2-year-old golden retriever who is super friendly and loves pets. She has gone through lots of training to make sure that she is a great support dog for the school. A few things we need to know about Zuki to make sure that she loves being at our school is that when we want to pat her, we have to pat her from underneath, just like this. We do not pat Zuki from over the top like that, because she might think that we're invading her personal space. The next thing we need to do is be mindful of not to feed Zuki any of your food or lunches, as Zuki is on her own special diet and has her own food. The next thing is that if you are entering my office, what you will need to do is put out your palm like this, and if Zuki touches it, you can pat Zuki under the chest like this. That tells us that Zuki wants to be pat. If she does not touch your palm, you do not pat her. They are the rules. If we make sure that we're mindful around Zuki and do not scare her, that would be awesome. A few little tricks that she can do that I'm going to show you guys now. Zuki, lay. Yes. Come on, Zuki. Zuki, finish. Spin. Sit. Shake. And other shake. Yes. Zuki is really excited to see you guys at Panania Public School. Bye.